Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Students, today I am going to start chapter 15, that is surface area and volume. So students, before starting to write in your notebooks, first of all you will write this key concepts, this all matter in your notebook. First is lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area? It is the sum of the areas of the lateral surfaces of a solid shape. It is also called curved surface area, that is CSA for non-polyhedra. Lateral surface area in short is written as LSA. So here there are some formulas. You will write all this from here to up to here in your notebook. Then you will start to write or to solve the questions of exercise 15A. So let us start exercise 15A. In exercise 15A, first question, find the LSA and TSA of the cubes with the following side lengths. What is a cube? Students, you know very well what is a cube. You have seen it dies that is of cube shape. So we have to find lateral surface area and total surface area. A cube has total 6 surfaces. If we find the area of all 6 surfaces, then it is total surface area. And if we find the area of 4 surfaces, side surfaces, 4 side surfaces, then it is lateral surface area. So first question is, side of cube is given 5 centimeter. Here I am not writing here formula. You have to write. First A. Side length of cube is given 5 centimeter. Then lateral surface area of the cube is equal 4L square. So this is this 4 and L means side length of cube, that is 5 centimeter. So we will write 4 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 4 is 100 square centimeter. Then total surface area, that is TSA of the cube, is equal 6L square. Lateral surface area of the cube is 4L square and total surface area is 6L square. So 6 into 5 into 5. Again side length of the cube is 5 centimeter. 6 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 6 is 150 square centimeter. Now it's the C part. In C part, side length of a cube is given 3.5 meter. Side length of the cube is 3.5 meter. Lateral surface area of the cube is 4L square. Units, so 4 into 3.5 multiply 3.5. When we multiply these three numbers, we get 49 square meter. Total surface area of the cube is 6L square. 6 into 3.5 into 3.5. When we multiply this one, 73.5 square meter. You can check it by multiplying. So I have solved here two parts, A and C. Remaining B, D, E, F you will do self. Now come to question number 2. Find the lateral surface area and total surface area of the cuboid. In first question it was the cube. In second question it is the cuboid. What is the cuboid shape? As you have a pencil box, your pencil box is of cuboidal shape or your book is of cuboidal shape. Clear? So we have to find lateral surface area and total surface area of cuboid. Here length of the cuboid is given 25 centimeter. I am explaining you B part. C. Length is 25 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter, height is 10 centimeter. So length of cuboid 25 centimeter, breadth of cuboid 5 centimeter, height of cuboid is 10 centimeter. Lateral surface area of cuboid formula is 2h into L plus B. So 2 into h is 10, then bracket L plus B. L plus B is 25 plus 5. Then 2 10 is 20, 25 plus 5 30. When we multiply 20 by 30, we get 600 square centimeter. Students, be careful when you write this formula about this sign. Mostly students, 80% students do this mistake. They write here also multiply sign. Not multiply, it is 2h, 2 into h, then it is into, then within bracket it is L plus B. So it will be read as 2h into L plus B, not multiply. Be very careful. Now total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into L is 25, B is 5 plus, then B is 5, H is 10, this plus, then L is 25, H is 10. Again be careful when you write here. Students, write here also multiply. In place of this plus, they write here also multiply. Then it will become totally wrong. Here it is plus. So 2, 25 5 is 125 plus 5 10 is 50 plus 25 10 is 250. 2 multiply by, we will add this, it is 425, then we will multiply it, we get 850 square centimeter. Now come to its C part. In C part, length is 10 meter, breadth 2.5 meter, height is 4 meter. See here, second C part, length is 10 meter, breadth is 2.5 meter, height is 4 meter. First we will write lateral surface area of the cuboid. Again it is 2h L plus B. 2 into h is 4 meter, bracket, length is 10, then breadth is 2.5. 2 4 is 8. How we will add this? See, it will be written as 10.0, then 2.5 like this. Then we will add. It is 12.5. When we multiply 12.5 by this 8, 8 5 is 40, carry 4, 8 2 is 16 plus 4 20, carry 2, 8 1 is 8 and 2 10. So it is 100 square meter. Now its C part. Sorry, its total surface area is here. I forgot there. So total surface area of the cuboid is equal to LB plus BH plus LH. 2 within bracket L is 10, multiply B is 2.5 plus again B is 2.5, multiply H is 4, then this plus L is 10, multiply H is 4. 2, when we multiply these two number we get 25.0, 2.5 multiply 4 is 10.0, 10 4 is 40. Now we will add it. 25.0 will be written as 25.0, then 10.0, and then 40 will be written as 40.0. We will add like this. Then we get 75. When multiply 75 by this 2, we get 150 square meter. Here also students, I have explained its two part B and C. Remaining A, D, E, F you will do self. Now come to third question. In third question, find lateral surface area, total surface area of the cylinder. In first question, we find lateral surface area and total surface area of a cube. Cube means just like dice, in which length, breadth and height all three are same. In second question, lateral surface area and total surface area of cuboid, as in pencil box. Then in third, lateral surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. Cylinder is just like this pencil. This is cylinder shape. So here what is given? Radius of cylinder is given 3.5 meter and height is 10 meter. First we will write radius of the cylinder 3.5 meter. Height of the cylinder is 10 meter. Then lateral surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. This is the formula to find lateral surface area of a cylinder. 2 pi RH. 2 is here, multiply, value of pi is fixed, that is 22 upon 7. multiply r is 3.5 given here, multiply h is given 10. Remove this decimal from here. After decimal there is one digit, so we will add 1 0 here. Then simplify it. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 1 remainder 10, 2 5 ja 10. Then 35 1 ja 35, 35 1 ja 35. Now this 20 into 10, it is 220 square meter. Then total surface area, we have to find total surface area also. Formula for total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. Lateral surface area is 2 pi rh. Here 2 pi r, first we will write this 2 pi r, then r plus h. Now 2, again pi is 22 upon 7, multiply this r is 3.5. Within bracket this one, r is 3.5 plus h is 10. Remove decimal from here, add 1 0 here. Then simplify. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, 35 1 ja 35, 35 1 ja 35. Now this 22, within bracket we will add this. How? 3.5 plus 10.0. It is 13.5. When we multiply this 13.5 by 22, we get 297 square meter. Now come to its D part. In D part, radius is given 70 centimeter and height is given 1 meter. See students, here both the units are different. First we will make both the units same. See, radius of the cylinder is given 70 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is given 1 meter. And 1 meter is equal 100 centimeter, you know. Now lateral surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh. 2 pi, value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 70 centimeter into h. H is 100 centimeter. 7 1 ja 7, 7 10 ja 70, 22 2 ja 44, multiply 10 into 100, 1000. When we multiply these two, we get 44,000 square centimeter. Now total surface area of the cylinder, again 2 pi r plus h. 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r is 70, then bracket r is 70 plus h is 100 centimeter. 7 1 ja 7, 7 10 ja 70. 2 multiply 22, multiply 10. We will add this 70 and 100, it is 170. When we multiply these two numbers, we get 74,800 square centimeter. I think up to here there should be no problem. You have to learn these formulas, students, for exam. Okay? These questions are very easy. Only you have to learn the formulas, then put the values and simplify. Now come to question number 4. In question number 4, there is a table. It's a part. It is given which shape? It is cube, and we know the lateral surface area of cube. We know we have to find length, breadth, height. In cube there is no radius. We will not find this radius. And then total surface area. So only lateral surface area is known. Lateral surface area of cube is 144 meter square. So how we will solve it? Lateral surface area of cube is given 144 meter square. And what is the formula to find lateral surface area of cube? Here in first question I told you it is 4L square. We will write below it its formula. That is 4L square equal 144. Then this L square is equal 144 upon this 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 2 remainder 24, 4 6 ja 24. L square is equal 36. L square is equal 36 is the square of 6. 6 square, square cancel. L is equal 6 meter. L is equal 6 meter means in a cube, you know all length, breadth and height are equal. So length of cube is equal breadth of cube equal height of cube is equal 6 meter. Means length is also 6 meter, breadth also 6 meter, height also 6 meter. So here we have find out its length, breadth and height. No radius in a cube. Now we will find total surface area. See here, total surface area of the cube is equal 6L square. So 6 multiply. We have find side of cube is 6, again 6. So this 6 is this one, and L square means 6 square. So 6 multiply 6 multiply 6. 6 multiply 6, 36. 36 multiply 6 is equal to 216 square meter. Clear? So now in second part, what is given? Second shape is cuboid. In cuboid, length is given 5 meter, breadth is given 10 meter, and total surface area is given 700 meter square. See, length of cuboid is 5 meter, breadth of cuboid is 10 meter, and total surface area of cuboid is equal 700 meter square. Now below it, here we will write formula for total surface area of cuboid. It is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH equal 700. Students, again I am telling you, be careful when you write this formula and put the values. Here it is multiply then plus, again multiply then plus, again multiply. Now we will put the values, given values. 2 into L is 5 meter, multiply B is 10 meter. So 5 multiply 10 plus B is 10 meter into H will be written as it is H, because we have to find here H. See, this column is blank. So H will be written as it is plus L is 5 meter into H again as it is equal 700. Now 2 bracket 5 10 ja 50. 10 multiply H is equal 10H plus 5 multiply H is equal 5H, bracket close, equal 700. 2 into 50 plus 10H plus 5H 15H equal 700. Now multiply this 2 within bracket. 2 into 50 100 plus 2 into 15 30H equal 700. Now solve it as we solve an simple equation. So 30H is equal 700 minus this 100. 30H is equal 600. H is equal 600 upon 30. 0 0 cancel. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 0. H is equal 20 meter. So we have find out this H. H is 20 meter. Now see, length is given, breadth is given, height we have find out. There is again no radius in cuboid. Now we will find lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of the cuboid is equal to H L plus B. 2 into H is 20, L is 5 plus B is 10. 2 into 20 into 5 plus 10 15. 22 to 40. 40 into 15 is 600 square meter. Clear up to here, students? So today we have completed up to 2 parts. B part of question number 4. Now students, today you will complete its question number 1, 2, 3 and 2 parts of question 4. Remaining all the questions we will do in the next class. If you have any difficulty, any problem, you can call me. Okay? Thank you students and have a nice day.